formats to a chart. One of Excel's key features is the ability to apply number formats to change the display of numeric data without affecting the data itself. For example, these numbers are using the general number format. If I switch to currency or accounting, they appear differently, but the actual values are unaffected, as you can see in the formula bar. I'll change these back to general. Dates also use number formatting. In this case, I can easily switch from a short date format to a long date format. Custom number formats let you extend number formatting based on your own needs, using special codes. To apply a custom number format, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells window, then visit the Number tab. Here, you'll find a long list of number formats organized into groups. In the Custom group, you can enter any valid code. For example, I can display these dates as month names only using the code MMMM. By default, Excel charts will pick up number formats from the source data being plotted. For example, if I use this data to make a simple column chart, then apply the currency format, the chart pulls in that formatting. This behavior is controlled by a setting called Linked to Source, which you can find in the Format task pane under Number. Notice if I uncheck this box, nothing happens, because Excel has already applied the currency format. However, if I undo back to the original format, then uncheck Link to Source, and then apply currency format to the values again, the chart is unaffected. Dates work the same way. For example, in this case, if I apply a custom number format to display only month names, this affects the horizontal axis because Linked to Source is enabled. You can also apply number formats to chart elements directly. For example, here I can use the code MMM to display abbreviated month names in the chart only. When I click Add, the format is applied, and the Link to Source checkbox is automatically unchecked. Notice that once you've applied a custom number format like this to a chart, you'll see it appear in the Type menu.